In this video, we are going to learn how to enable Turnitin Originality Checking on an existing assignment. So that's an assignment you've already created and students have already submitted things for. So we're going to go to the assessment navbar icon group and click on assignments. Now we're just going to pick an assignment that has been already has submissions that we can now enable Turnitin for. So for example, we just have this assignment called name. So I'm going to go edit assignment. So it's similar to what you would do for a new assignment. You would go here to evaluation and feedback, manage Turnitin, and enable similarity report for this folder. It's linked. I'm happy with these options, so I'll click save and then save and close. Now the difference now with an existing assignment that is different from a new assignment is that when we actually go in to view the assignment submissions, it doesn't automatically submit all the submissions that students have already put in the folder to Turnitin. You have to go in and you see the Turnitin similarity report here. You actually just have to click on that little icon and it will submit the file to Turnitin. So any files that you want submitted to Turnitin, you just go through, click on all of them, and it says in progress, and then it doesn't usually take very long, and you'll start to see some reports here. Now, it says no report probably because the submission's too short, but that's okay. Normally, if it's an assignment that is long enough, which isn't that long, you will get to see all of the reports here. So that is how you enable Turnitin Originality Checking on an existing assignment and apply it to submissions that students have already given you.